that felt so good.
SpongeBob looking at a burger. Wait, Bun, wait, sorry. Yo, so I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I look into my bag, I pull this out. I'm like, oh yeah, sick, $10. I freaking open it up. I pull it out. Bro, it's $150. Where was this? Like, I need this. This is like whenever you're a little kid and you find $1 in your pocket. Like, bro, I'm rich. I'm set for life. Also, why did I put $150 in a gum case? Yo, I just dropped this mic, this like little thing, and it broke. So hopefully it still works, because that would suck if it didn't anymore. You know the rules. If you don't know the rules. If you don't know the rules. It is a very rare night tonight. The moon is super bright. You don't come across that very often. It's it lights up everything. It's almost kind of like sunset kind of brightness, you know. I've been like half scooping this because it has like 320 milligrams of caffeine, so we just been half scooping it. I mean, a little more, a little more. Oh yeah, also oh, there's a little bird. Oh, there's a couple little birds. Nice. But also, anyways, the gym is supposed to have new equipment. Ooh, that could be cool. I don't know. I don't know if it means new equipment, like they just updated equipment, or they're like actual new equipment. So I guess we'll find out. I'll let y'all know. Yeah. Enough yappage. Let's just get in there and do some cool stuff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's going on, guys? Oh yeah. Yeah, I have not benched in a long time. I do want to prioritize dumbbell work. I'm curious to see how much weight I can bench press. That's feeling kind of heavy. That's feeling pretty heavy. It like it feels good, but it doesn't feel good. So Loki, I think I tweaked something on whenever I was doing Smith machine bench press. Cause I felt something in my shoulder whenever I went for it, but I don't really bench that much. I mainly focus on dumbbells. I want to max out dumbbells before I do bench press. Also, new gym equipment. I like it. Looks really cool. New stuff, new benches, new dumbbells, new everything. So the Smith machine, you know how it goes, like I was saying, it goes up and down. That's great for squat, but the old Smith machines that had a little bit of a slant in them, that's good. That's better for bench press because it makes your bench press stronger. Uh, yeah, the bar also weighs a little more. I think it weighs like 5 pounds more. It feels like it too. So yeah, pretty cool. They also have a lot new. They also have a lot of new leg equipment. Yeah, enough yappage though. Let's get this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Like, wait. Come on, man. What the fuck? Come on. Push that shit. Just push that shit. Come on. What the fuck? Oh my god, dude, that's so fucking annoying. All right, let's try the 60s. Why did I fail the 65s? I don't know. Maybe it was the difference in the bench height. It's on 4 instead of 3. Maybe it's because I just tried Smith machine bench. I don't know. Let's see what we can do with these 60s. Hopefully my mic is working. I think I accidentally broke it, which sucks. Let's see though. Come on. Listen to some zesty anime music right now. Oh yeah. 137. Let's go. Oh yeah. It's 5 pounds. Okay. That drops it. Oh, that felt so good. Dude, it's a really good thing this gym's empty because I've been pretty gassed. Okay. Yeah, it's a good thing this gym is empty right now. You know what? All right, I need to go do shoulders before I do this. Tell the fella like my life was a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Only time I feel pain when I'm feeling love. That's why I said it on my face that I'm down on. Only time on my mind when I'm all alone. That's why I'm never really alone in the nighttime. Change hoes like clothes, I can get attached. Cause these hoes five sodas like lit matches. I've been feeling really lost, looking all attachments. I don't really go outside cause I hate traffic. I don't wanna go outside, get caught in traffic. Yeah. Tell the fella like I'm trying. Today was back day. Pretty good day. The back pump was pretty freaking crazy. The lats coming in nicely. Sophie. All right. The bicep pump was okay. My biceps, my bicep pumps recently have not been that good. I think they're like injured in a way. I don't really know. So I ran into a problem. Right. Well, first off, it's currently 1:48. I left at like 9:30, 10. So that's pretty late. But the big problem, right? I need more macros. I need more calories. Sadly, I over the summer got into a bad habit of trying to cut down by not eating as much, which is not the way that you should do it. Well, you want to eat a little less, but you want to eat like good foods too. Now I need to get more calories in. You might be asking, how am I going to get my calories up? Boom. 230, 230 calories. Usually try to stay away from dairy, but You know, desperate times, uh, desperate times stand for desperate measures. Boom. We have a protein Pop Tart. 20 grams of protein, and it's like a Pop Tart. I've heard these are pretty good. This is the chocolate cake. That sounds pretty gas. This also, I think, has milk in it. So, yeah, it does. So, bread. This right here, my dad likes these. I remember him mentioning it to me. This has 290 calories and 20 grams of protein. Wait, so altogether, 20, 40, that's 82 grams of protein just for those three things that I just showed you. Hold up, let me make sure it's still recording. We also got the Snapple, 180 calories. I'm probably not gonna drink it tonight. I'm gonna have a little sippy, but probably save that for later. So not only am I gonna eat that, oh yeah, I don't even think I told you, I still need like 1,200 calories or something like that. I don't even know. So these three together, I believe it's almost like 700 calories. Just the Pop Tart, protein bar, and the core power. These are gas. It tastes like a milkshake, by the way. I don't. It's probably gonna give all of us cancer. All of us bodybuilders who drink core power are probably going to get cancer. I don't know what makes these things so good and what gives them so much protein. I know it's like filtered so many times, so that they just get like, I don't know. We're all probably gonna die though. Got Ollie. Ollie. Let's do a little taste test, shall we? Is this an okay shot? I lost my calluses over summer because I wasn't working on the farm anymore. But yeah, today was pretty rough for the forearms and the grips, the grippies. We already know this is gas. I already took a drink. Yeah, it's so good. I'm also probably gonna have a protein drink, protein shake that I make here. I'll try this Pop Tart. Bro, that does not look like the it does not look like the picture, bro. Alright. Pretty good. That's pretty good. I like that. It's like a kind of like a Hostess cake. Like it's pretty thick. It's like thicker. That's what I expect though. Yes. You know what? Let me try it again. Mm, 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 mm. Let me try it again. Mm, 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 mm-hmm, mm, mm, mm-hmm. That's pretty good. I mean, I rate that like a 8.5 out of 10. That's pretty good. Wash it down with some Fairlife. Not sponsored, by the way. Next, let's try 20 grams of protein, cho- chocolate peanut butter. There's the macros, 290. Dude, this thing is a brick. Like, I don't know if y'all have heard about what Rich Piana says about protein bars, where he's like, take a scoop of protein, lay it out in front of the table, and then put a protein bar next to it. The difference is crazy. Well, I believe that this is actually 20 grams of protein. Dude, that thing is thick. That's almost like ice cream sandwich. Let's try it. Goop. I mean, it's alright. This is probably 20 grams of protein. Like it, it feels like it. Oh yeah, taste wise, I'm gonna give this like a 5, maybe even a 4 out of 10. That was not tasty. But 20 grams of protein, 290 calories. Dude, you eat one of these, this is really good for bulking. So overall, I give it like a 7 out of 10. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. No. No. He's dead. No. Yo, I think he's chilling. He swam away. I think he's chilling. Check out this loot. Double creatine, protein, more protein in my room. One apple cider vinegar, a peanut butter sandwich, all these vitamins. That's really cool. And then we also got this shaker cup that's electric. You put this at the bottom and it spins it, so it raises it for you. Pretty sick. My aunt got me that, thank you, for a graduation gift. Let's go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. Does this look good? Does this look good? Is this an okay shot?